Is anybody out there? Is anybody out there? Omaha checking in.
Spring Blizzard 2025. Omaha checking in.
We made it through. It, started to, rain last night about midnight with really high winds. And, then it turned on into pretty harsh rain. The cat who was the most unsettled was, Mr. Atticus. And, Madame Clarity has made it home, and she's been judging harshly.
Creepy, cunt, sack.
At some time during the night, the rain turned over into little ice balls. And then it turned into snow. And, looks like we've got an inch, but we're probably fixing to get more. That's what she said. Okay, so this is what we currently look like in Omaha. Still pretty windy, and the snow is coming down pretty hard. The wild kitties are bedded down. They've been fed. Madam Mimi is in her nest and not coming out.
Meow. Munch.
But everybody's safe and accounted for. And my sinuses would really wish that it would decide what it was going to do, because it was really nice yesterday and now it's snowing. Yeah. So send some good karma that we don't lose power, and everybody else, I hope you're doing okay.